Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out the apps that are tracking in iPhone or iPad. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the settings, and in the settings just scroll down below, and now you will see here one option written privacy and security. Just tap on it. Now you will see here the second option, tracking. Just tap on it. Now you will see all the applications that are being tracking on your respective iPhone or iPad devices. So you can either disable one by one, or you can select the first option, which you can see on the top, allow apps to request to track. If you disable it, it will pop up showing two messages: allow apps to continue tracking or ask apps to stop tracking. So you can just tap on this, ask apps to stop tracking. So it will automatically disable all the applications from tracking. So by going to this option, which is available inside this settings option, you can easily find out the apps that are tracking in iPhone or iPad very easily. So if you never known about these hidden options present in your iPhone or iPad devices, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.